All right, well, I had to drive a bit. I'm at Hilltop Wine and Spirits in Oakland, Tennessee. I don't know anything about the place. Hopefully they'll let me shoot. Let's see what's going on. All right, I am at a brand new place. Who's that got there? Just had a fantastic conversation with the new owner. This is Hilltop Wine and Spirits in Oakland, Tennessee. I will definitely be coming back. They actually have something that I might be picking up today, and I don't know that my wife is going to be happy about it, but I think I'm going to have to get it. So I'll wait to save that for the end. A lot of these, the prices are on the very top. So, and as usual, this is at the top of my distance from where I can get here in a reasonable amount of time on my lunch break. So I'm going to kind of go through here kind of quickly and just kind of give you a general idea of what they have, and then this will probably even be a relatively short video. But what we'll do is I met with the owner. Her allocations will be coming probably in a couple weeks, and I will probably come back here. And some people have been complaining that I kind of hit the same stores, but kind of the stores that have the really cool stuff, I got to get those. So you know, and plus, you know, I get shot down quite a bit. People are like, no, gross. They, you know, they don't want their prices to be shown, which I get it. I totally understand. I try not to focus on the prices when I can, and you know, especially when they specifically ask me not to. She was very cool about it. I've heard, I think, is this the one? Nope, there it is. Someone was really talking about how this is probably going to be the next hot thing. So this Four Roses single barrel, I think it just won some award. So if you're looking for it, they got it here. You know, I love the gift sets. And then there's some Canadian stuff, kind of in the middle. Tin cup. And I see a lot of people talking about how they can't get any of this. So this is a pretty, you know, fairly inexpensive, and there's a lot of it. I've seen it in a lot of the stores. So let's see what we go through here. Here's our local guys, old Dominic. And oh, got plenty of the Buffalo Trace here. So we got the big, oh, that's the big bottle. All right, and they have some more scotches and stuff that way. So I'm gonna kind of get that way. Let's see the Old Smokies. Everybody likes that. Got the Jim Beam, Devil's Cut. Another gift set there. Oh, hey, they got this, but not what y'all really want to see. And the early times. I did not pick up the Old Bartons yesterday. I got to talking, and I'm gonna probably spend money on something else today, and I'm gonna have to clear that with the wife, which I don't know that she's gonna be super happy with me. And if I remember correctly, I think this is the one that has that beautiful bottle. Maybe not. It does have a beautiful bag though. Got that old granddad there. All right, let's see what they got Scotch wise here. Got the Lagavulin 16. And I'm gonna take a look. Oh, that's a good price for that. I didn't really dwell on it, but I'm gonna have to check my word for it. Got that 1118. I got the Pendragon. Oh wow. Got the Dalmore. Yeah, I just breezed right over the Old Elk over there, as I usually do. I've not had any yet, so you know it's hard for me to spend that money if I don't have it. Jura 10, great Scotch if you're thinking about getting into it. Lightly peated, sweet sheep dip. I wonder how hard that is to order after you've had a couple of Scotches. I bet that's a tough one to get out. Got the Deacons. There's the McLeod. Got a little bit of that Totamen. And I don't know that I went across the top row. I feel like I did. Yeah, I think I did. Surely I did. I think I was talking about being excited in this store for the first time. So I'm gonna go through here, just kind of do another breeze through, and then she's gonna let me walk back behind the counter, which is amazing, and let me see what I can see. All right, let's check out what they got. Look at this display. Love the. It's cool. All right, let me see. Let me get behind the counter and see what we can do. All right, I'm behind the counter, which I almost never get to do, so that's exciting. All right, they got the Knob Creek 18. Oh, they've got the 12. Oh, everybody talks about how they can get it everywhere except here in the Mid-South. They got the 2 barrels. They got the Old Ezra. Now they have a deal if you want the Blantons. I don't like to get prices. You can call that way. She knows people are watching my videos. You get that and a Sazerac as a bundle, or you can get that or one of the Bowmans. So, which is a good deal. It's all kind of from the same, same group of people. But here they do. They've got this Widow Jane Decadence, which I think I'm gonna make a phone call, and if my wife doesn't answer, I'm gonna get this bottle today. So they got the Bookers, they got the single barrel, and they've got how cute is that bottle? And then there's some moonshine, and they've got a little bit more of the Scotch. And they also have the baby bottles and through here, and they've got a good selection of this in the button. So the rye, not seen the Belfour. I like that. Uh-oh. I know somebody who probably would want some of that. I don't think they watch my videos, but maybe if they decide they want the pecan chips or the twin blend, they can shoot me a message and maybe I'll get some for them. So, all right. Well, this is what they've got. I have really enjoyed my time here at Hilltop, and the very first time I've been in here. So help me out, and if you can, tell her that you saw the video and come buy some.